In this video, we will go over an error you may receive when opening ICS files in Outlook. This issue only affects Classic Outlook as New Outlook still does not support importing ICS files. You can watch our full video comparing Classic Outlook to New Outlook in the card. As of the December 2023 update, when you open an ICS file in Outlook, you may receive the following prompt: Microsoft Office has identified a potential security concern. This location may be unsafe. It does not matter what file location you open the ICS file from. You can simply click Yes and the ICS file will add to Outlook without an issue. This security notice is not intentional behavior. It is a side effect of fixing an unrelated Outlook vulnerability that would allow for stealing obfuscated Windows credentials from opening bad files in Outlook. For this reason, it is not recommended to downgrade Outlook. There is a workaround to stop the security notices. However, this is not recommended because this stops all of these security notices, not just for harmless ICS files. The steps are linked below. Microsoft is currently investigating this issue and does not have a fix yet as of the latest 365 update.